Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Have you ever wondered which vitamins and minerals are essential for keeping your gut in tip-top shape? Well, now you'll know. Today we're going to talk about some key nutrients your gut needs and the best sources of these vitamins and minerals. Let's dive into how you can support your digestive health. First up, the vitamin B complex. These vitamins turn food into energy and support gut health. Biotin helps metabolize fats, carbohydrates, and proteins, crucial for maintaining a healthy gut lining. Find them in whole grains, meats, eggs, dairy, nuts, seeds, and leafy greens. Next, vitamin D. Often sunshine vitamin, vitamin D is vital for calcium absorption and bone health. It's also key to regulating gut bacteria, which play a significant role in digestion and immune function. Low levels of vitamin D have been linked to inflammatory bowel diseases and higher risk of infections. Get vitamin D from fatty fish, fortified dairy, egg yolks, mushrooms, and sunlight. Vitamin A is up next. This fat-soluble vitamin maintains the mucosal surfaces of your body, including your gut lining. It helps produce mucus, which acts as a protective barrier against harmful bacteria and pathogens. Vitamin A also supports your immune system, helping your body fight off infections. Get it from carrots, sweet potatoes, kale, spinach, liver, and fortified foods. Then we have zinc. Zinc is a trace mineral crucial for immune function and the maintenance of the intestinal lining. It helps prevent harmful pathogens from entering your body and aids in the healing of gut tissues. Zinc is also beneficial in managing conditions like leaky gut syndrome and diarrhea. Look for it in meat, shellfish, legumes, seeds, and nuts. Now on to magnesium. Magnesium is involved in over 300 biochemical reactions in your body, making it essential for overall health. In your digestive system, it helps regulate muscle contractions, including those of the intestinal wall, ensuring smooth bowel movements and preventing constipation. It also maintains a healthy pH balance in the gut, supporting a diverse microbiota. Find it in nuts, seeds, leafy greens, whole grains, and legumes. Finally, we have calcium. While known for supporting bone health, calcium is also crucial for muscle function in the digestive tract. It helps with the contractions that move food through your system, known as peristalsis. Adequate calcium levels can prevent gastrointestinal disorders and support overall digestive health. It's found in dairy products, leafy greens, fortified plant-based milks, tofu, and almonds. Remember, a balanced diet rich in these vitamins and minerals is key to a healthy gut. Keep these nutrients in mind and your digestive system will thank you. Thanks for watching and see you next time.